Alrighty, here's our cabin. And so these are the key cards right here. Alright, here we are. We have the Porthole balcony cabin. So let me show you here. Here is the restroom. So it looks like this. They have nice shelves you can put everything on. Let me come right here. So there's shelves on this side here as well. And then the shower has the glass enclosure. I would say that compared to Princess that I just got off of, I would say that the shower is probably about the same size. The only difference is that it has the glass enclosure, which I will say is very nice. It's kind of rounded there. There's the rest of the bathroom. Towels down there. Kleenex. So I am going to point out that the toilet paper is very handy. It's because I was just on the Discovery Princess and it is not. So it's kind of a funny thing, but. And then here's a little decoration, a little light. Let me turn it on. There's a little. Then we've got the chest of drawers here. Very small desk, like tiny desk with a mirror there. It looks like it was meant to be a full-length mirror, but with the desk in the way, you don't really see full length. But there's lots of nice drawers here. And there's a little kind of a chaise lounge there. And then ours is a king-size bed. Most of the beds on Celebrity are king-size, which is lovely. And here's the TV right here. And then here's our balcony, and I'm going to go back and show you the closet in a minute after I move the luggage out of the way. But it's really beautiful. It's a beautiful day here. It's going to be a beautiful sail away today. We are on port, very forward. This, no, you can see out fine, but there's gear right here, so it's maybe considered obstructed. Have to look it up. There's the bridge right there. So hopefully this will give you a really good idea of the location if you are looking at one of these forward cabins. So, but we can still see just fine. I should add that. Like I said, it's such a beautiful day here. Okay, I'm starting back over here where we just came in to show you where the closet is because we had our luggage in the way. So right here is the closet. And then there's a few drawers right down here. And a teeny tiny safe. It's just really small, but you could put your jewelry in there, if you have a lot of cash, passports, whatever. But it's not very big. I think it's adequate. So I just wanted to show you they've provided robes. So that's really nice. It is a very small closet, but if you're going on a short cruise, I think that that is more than enough. And it's nice that they've got all of these drawers right here. If you're on a longer voyage, you can maybe fold some things that you maybe would have normally hung up. But this is really, I think this is wonderful. Alrighty, and I also wanted to show you, this whole cupboard section here opened up just so that you can see there's extra shelves right here, and then right up here there's more shelves with some blankets in case you need. And little cubbies right here if you need to store stuff in here as well. There's a laundry bag. There's another bag. And then right here, there's the little bar fridge. So there you go, you can see this, and then I just have a can of club soda we're gonna put in there to keep cold, and that's Gordon's. If you ask for a bottle of water, you get an aluminum can of water. Do you want to show them how cool it looks?
Sure.
Or no, grab it. Ooh.
It says Celebrity Cruises.
Celebrity. There you go.
The other one didn't say Celebrity Cruises.
Oh.
This one I may have to keep.
Gordon's teasing me because sometimes I keep water bottles, but then I throw them away, but just when they're extra cool. Anyway, there you go. Just wanted to let you know what else is in here, so. Alrighty, now that we have been in here a few minutes, I just want to point something out, and that is if you have a hard time getting around at all or shifting when you walk or anything, it is super tight to get through here. Gordon and I don't have a problem at all. We can get through no problem, but it is tight, especially with the TV right there. And so I just wanted to point that out for anyone who is thinking of booking one of these kind of cabins, that I don't want someone that has any mobility issues or it's just harder for you to scooch. I don't want you to book one of these cabins because it'll be hard on you. So I just wanted to point that out. So let me recap here, and wanted to show you. This is a private bar, and so it's nice that they give you that option. And right here is the price list for everything included there. We've got room service. Here's the little room service menu. So in the morning, I'll post these menus on our website. But there's this. And this is the charging station. Here are the different outlets that are available. So they've got different ones depending on what kind of a plug you've got there. It's nice that there's one USB. So there's that right there. It's close to the little desk. And then also they gave us this nice booklet here for the naming ceremony today, which is Gordon's birthday. How fun is that? They've got the different, let's see, all the things that are going to happen. So we will make sure that we'll scan this in for you and put it on our website, but it's just really fun that they gave us a nice book about it. And then our viewing location for the Celebrity Beyond is on this card. So I'll tell you all about it. And then a heads up here, you have to lock your door for AC here. So that's a tip, because we've just been shutting it and thinking it was kind of warm. So you have to lock it. So we locked it. Alrighty, this is our balcony here. We've got 2 chairs and a little table there. And then this is called a porthole balcony. I don't think it's considered obstructed, but I think it kind of is. So I think that's an important thing to know. And I think this is why it's so awesome to always look at YouTube and look at what stateroom you're looking at booking. That's the bridge right up there. But we can still see just fine. I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you what to expect. So going forward. So we are on port side here, very, very forward. How beautiful this is. There's been lots of private boats sailing by. I'll show you there's the whole back of the ship. Alrighty, here I'll back up enough so that you can see it again. This is our porthole balcony. Sorry, it's just a tight room here with the way the bed is and everything to get over to the balcony. So they gave us 2 chairs, and here's Gordon, and a little table here for you can put your drinks or your food there. And this is our cabin. Look at this beautiful view. This is our balcony, I should say. Now, I don't know if this is considered obstructed. When I looked it up online, it didn't say anything about being obstructed. But if I booked this and I didn't think anything was going to be in the way, I might be a little bit surprised. Right up there is the bridge. So you can see how forward we are. We are very, very forward.